Something extraordinary is happening at Spotify Camp Nou. Every sector moving simultaneously, the compression ring receiving a new section, the third-tier seating approaching its final pieces, the Goal Nord ceramic cladding restarting, the VIP ring closing out wall by wall, the lateral pushing forward with platforms rising to the third cantilever. No single update defines today. The whole picture does. Starting from the compression ring, the Tower Crane 3 lifted Section 13 into position at 11 this morning. A 26-ton steel box guided with millimeter precision into the narrow gap between the last installed section and the radial beam. Topographers monitored every movement while workers at each end directed the descent inch by inch. Alignment bars were driven into the corners immediately after placement, and bolting began straight away. 13 sections now placed, 124 needed to complete the ring. Following the lift, TC3 entered a brief unplanned maintenance stop, with 4 operators climbing the mast. By early afternoon, it was fully operational. Crane TC4 continued working throughout without interruption. At the south goal, the third-tier seating installation approaching its final stage with only the uppermost profiles remaining. Joint sealing has already begun across completed sections, with specialist sealant applied between prefabricated stands at the wide mouth zones. At the lateral north corner, a connecting intermediate beam between the 2 installed riostras was observed being prepared for lifting, slings already attached. This beam ties the riostras together and delivers final rigidity to that structural connection. And before we continue, we are so close to 1,000 subscribers. Just like this stadium is rising section by section, this channel grows subscriber by subscriber. Hit that button and be part of the Camp Nou journey. At the north goal, the ceramic cladding machinery has returned to site, with full pallets confirmed ready for placement. Installation is advancing across the false ceiling section of the exterior facade. At the central north area, a third formwork platform was staged between the 2 existing ones, forming the working base for the next pillar and ring section. Scaffolding has begun inside the adjacent nucleus, ahead of the concrete slab face. At Tribuna Nord, an unidentified structural piece, possibly a rotula assembly attached to a reinforcement mesh frame, was lifted by TC5 and positioned beneath one of the super pillars. If anyone can identify this element, leave it in the comments. Inside the VIP ring, reinforcement mesh is laid across floor slab sections with concrete pump activity expected imminently. Galvanized steel bars, rock wool insulation, and timber boarding are progressing across hospitality and bathroom areas. New permanent lighting is now fitted beneath the first cantilever level with cabling routed through fixed conduit trays. At the parking ramp, fill compaction continues layer by layer with very little distance remaining before ground level reaches the exit point. That is today's update from Spotify Camp Nou. The ring grows, the bowl nears completion, the facade spreads outward. If you enjoyed this update, a comment below genuinely keeps us going. Even a single word lets us know you are out there. A like takes 1 second and helps more people find this channel. And if you have not subscribed yet, now is the time. We will see you tomorrow.